Hello and welcome to COMM 2600. This is Introduction to Media Communication. I'm your instructor for the course, Stephen Spates, and I am so excited to be able to be at King University and to teach this course. I hope you're excited as well. What I want you to do is to think about a few things as we get ready for our first class, which will be on Wednesday, November 4th, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. The first thing I want you to do is to get going on the textbook. Make sure you have your textbook for this class, and it's Media and Culture, and an image is located right on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It's by Campbell, Martin, and Forbes, and so you'll want to make sure that you have this textbook for the class starting at the first day. So let's look at this week's checklist coming up for what you need to have prepared. You want to read chapters 1 and 2 for the first day of class. You want to have those chapters read and take a few notes so that you can talk about it during discussion and also participate throughout the class. You'll be taking your week 1 quiz, so you really want to make sure that you read and that you have some notes to make sure that you've gone through the chapters, okay? Chapters 1 and 2. You'll also be going through your week 1 media packet. This is something that will be provided for you, and each week you will have different activities that you'll be doing, different responses to certain videos, to certain discussions that we have that we'll be doing in class, and so you're going to complete a packet every single week. So you want to make sure that you're in class and that you're in class on time, okay? Don't be late. Finally, I want to talk about your final project for this course, which is going to be a media and culture project. It will be 1 part paper and 1 part presentation. In order to prepare for this presentation and this project, I want you to first select a form of media and select a culture based on your own interests. Now, what do I mean by selecting a form of media and selecting a culture? Let's talk about that. When I'm talking about selecting a form of media, this is just a short list of different types of media that we're going to cover in this course. So music, film, radio, newspapers, photography, books, advertisements, social media, these are all forms of media. Out of this list, there may be something that you're interested in, and there may be some others in the book that are not listed that you may be interested in. So look through your textbook and choose a form of media that you have a personal interest in. After you do that, I want you to next select a culture. What do I mean by culture? Here are some examples: kids, college students, teens, African Americans, masculine, feminine culture, religion being different denominations, teens, and college students. These are all different types of cultures, and again, there may be some that you're interested in that are not listed. However, you want to pick something that will fall under the category of a type of culture. Once you make those 2 selections, you can start building onto your project, and we're going to talk about it in class because you're going to have part of a research paper that you're going to do and part of a presentation that you're going to do that's going to talk about both of those, the media side and the culture side, based on the things that you're going to learn in this course. So I'm very excited, and I hope you are too. We have lots of activities, things that we're going to talk about. I'm going to challenge your ideas, challenge your different perspectives, and we're going to talk about some ethics that's related to media and culture as well. As I said at the beginning, I'm looking forward to being with you in this course, and I hope you enjoy it as well. The next 5 weeks will be very exciting, and I hope that you enjoy yourself, and I hope that you enjoy this course as a whole. I am looking forward to seeing all of you on November 4th, Wednesday at 6 o'clock p.m. Take care, and as always, email me if you have any questions.